turtle wax for the show, and then I also got to get it car washed. So we're gonna knock that out, then we're gonna go to shop, and I'm gonna show you exactly how to take off that front bumper. Alright, first off, I actually forgot to mention I need to get some more of the paint because I don't have any more. I used up the whole can. So I'm gonna go pick up some more of that. It's like 12 or 13 bucks, I think, not too crazy. Alright, I got the wax and the paint. Next I'm gonna get the car wash, then I'm gonna get some food, then I'll be at the shop. Oh yeah! Scrub-a-dub-dub, motherfucker!
Turn it sideways. I can't believe that it's Freaky Friday.
Yeah, could I do 3 of your cheeseburgers and then 1 spicy chicken sandwich off the dollar menu?
Sure. Would that be your order today?
And then also a sweet tea, a medium.
A medium sweet tea, okay.
Yeah,
I got 3 cheeseburgers, a hot dog, and a medium sweet tea. Is that correct?
that's correct.
About 60 dollars.
Alright, so why is it so dark? Oh, alright. Oh, Jesus. Oh, okay. Something's going on here. Anyways, I just got to the shop. There we go! Woo! I just got to the shop. I'm gonna finish my burgers real quick. They gave me a freaking iced tea instead of a sweet tea, so I'm a little bummed about that, but whatever. I'm gonna finish down my burgers real quick, and then I'm gonna start taking apart the car. So typically I have my Little Tykes toolbox with me, but I seem to have forgotten it today. So I'm gonna have to dig around the shop and see what I can find, and it's really nothing too crazy, just a straight blade screwdriver and a 10mm ratchet. Everything on these cars, because they're awesome, is 10mm. First step, we're going to take out all of these little bolts right here. Take out all 4, or 5, whatever. And that's going to be with this 10mm, and I forgot my ratchet, so we're going to do it the old-fashioned way. Alright, next, we're going to take these, some of these little fancy clips in there. Okay, so you hit these basically, just going to get a little screwdriver. I'm going to slide it down underneath that, just lift up ever so slightly. Bam. That's all it is. It just basically releases the clip, and you just pry the whole thing out. Now that you took those 2 plastic clips out, this entire thing right here is going to come loose. You're not going to get bent. Alright, we're going to remove these little clips here. It's a lot easier if you remove the, if you turn the wheel, I'm sorry, because then you can reach them better. Basically, they're just little twist tops. Yeah, basically you just, the whole thing is supposed to be stuck. They're not supposed to be popping out like that. So they might actually be broken. Basically, you just twist the top little part will come out, and then you pull the whole thing out. This side was a lot easier to get the little pins out. See? Basically, a little top area right there. Focus that little top area when you turn the screwdriver counterclockwise, that pops out, and then the whole thing slides out. Just with a little bit of pressure. Alright, next thing we're going to do is we're going to take this out. So, this can be a little funky. Just put a lot of pressure on it. Pull towards your body. Don't worry, it's not going to break. And pull it out towards you. And there's going to be this little freaking thing here, and basically you're just going to unplug that wire and do the same thing to the other side. You're not going to be able to get that out until you pull the pin out that's underneath there. So there's going to be 4 pins in each wheel well. There's a couple more clips down inside of that, right up inside of there. 2 more clips. Next, you're going to get underneath the car. It's going to be a combination of bolts and clips that you're going to have to pull out. There's a clip. There's another clip. Basically, there's a bolt. It's just going to be some of those all the way along this front lip here, right underneath. You're gonna have to pull them out all the way across. There's maybe 10 different pins and bolts down there, not too crazy. Alright, now that you get all those ones out of the bottom, out of the sides, out of the top, and take out the little flare lights right there, you're ready to take it off. Just beware, there are clips all around the lights that you're gonna have to pull out. So, yep, basically you're just gonna grab it anywhere and start pulling. Really not too hard, just don't go ape shit on it. Just be consistent. Those ones actually keep moving around. Then next, just push this little wire wires down in there because otherwise it will come out and it'll hold the whole thing in, believe it or not. Alright, now I'm going to switch to wide view. Alright. Basically, that is how you remove front bumper on your Toyota 86 or BRZ or FRS. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped you out. I know it was brief. My camera was dying, so I couldn't do a super long, super explanation, what are words? I couldn't do a super long video on how to explain how to do this. So, I hope this helped you. It's really straightforward. Just don't break the pins. Don't over tighten the bolts. It's just plastic. And yeah, you'll be good to go. Don't be afraid of breaking anything. Everything is stiff. That's how it's supposed to be. That's how it keeps from falling apart on all these really crappy roads. So don't be afraid about breaking it. Just be firm, but don't manhandle things. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna get to painting this stuff. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comment section, and I will try to comment back on as many of them as I can. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and peace.